So ngayon guys, no, another new addition of the Millionaires Trading Tool plus crypto and forex is I added a prof firm risk. I know a lot of traders wanted to pass the challenge, no. So sa prof firm na to guys, no, uh first is you need to write your proper equity or prof firm equity, sorry. So sa prof firm equity, let's say you bought a $5,000 account or $10,000 account. Ilagay mo siya diyan. And also, yung maximum drawdown lang yung i-trade mo or below the maximum drawdown, let's say, bawal ka matalo ng $500 on one day. So just go with $250 initial capital. And you could put your stop loss no at 50%. So it means if mag-down siya below 125, like nag-down tayo below 125, nasunod-sunod, automatically, our calculator will stop us from over trading. Kung medyo mataas yung value na like 10-1, 10 trades and 1 win, it will automatically also stop once we get below 125, which is, ayun no. Nilagay ko yung stop loss for the sake na, alam mo hindi tipong yung hindi ka na magte-trade, ganun. It is for you to stop trading and recheck kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. So this is very crucial when it comes to trading with prof firm. Knowing when to trade and when not to trade. Now, next will be prof risk, no? It means we are just risking 0.1% of our trade, di ba? Napakaliit lang. But when we win, ayan, umaangat yung pera natin. Dahan-dahan. So, para mabilis mo mapalago yung goal mo, let's say, ang goal mo is $800, di ba? Which is ganun yung goal when it comes to. So, what you need to do is to trade 15 sets, risking 0.1%. Pero kung tataasan mo yung winning percentage mo, like 10 trades to win, you can definitely pass the $800 challenge in 2.6 sets, no? Okay, let's say loss, win, loss, win. So 346 dito. Tumugma siya dito ng 346. So tapos na yung isang set, no? This is the first set. We have 346. And then we lost, we win, we win. Okay? That is 479. Isa na lang na set and we will achieve yung goal natin, no? We lost, we win, lost, and then win. So 664. So last na lang, ma-achieve mo na yung goal mo. Last trade, loss, win, loss, win. No, random yan. Ang wag mo lang gawin is sunod-sunod na matalo ka. At maganda dito is you can follow the lot size na binibigay dito ng ating setup, no? So right here, we are able to win $920, no? Wait, mali ata ako. So, nag-win tayo dito ng $920. And ayun, na-achieve natin. We achieved more than $800 goal on our prof firm account. And right here guys, no, once nilagay ko siyang prof risk kasi para hindi tayo mo-overtrade. Kasi if we're going to lose mag-loss ka ng negative 4% or 5%, that would really consider as a failed challenge, no? So, yun yung ayaw nating mangyari, yung ma-fail tayo sa challenge. So, if none of this is useful sa inyo, then if you're trading on crypto, then hide. Kung i-hide, wag mo siya i-delete, i-drag mo lang siya dito. I-hide mo yung forex kasi hindi ka naman nagtatrade sa forex. No, hide mo lang siya ng ganyan. Pero if you're trading with forex, then i-hide mo yung crypto. So forex na yung pagtuunan mo ng pansin. If you don't trade with prop risk, prop trading, so i-hide mo lang. So ganun lang siya guys, no? Use what tools that is given to you, no? And I promise you, you can definitely achieve your ultimate goal.